Shooting range. Oh. This big. Which one's safe? What's this? Colt Smith and Weston? What's it? 350. This one.
350 needs one.
No, I want this one.
Yeah, this one 350.
How much for this one?
Magnum 6 shot 600.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but is that dangerous? Is it? Is it easy to shoot? I've never shot a gun, so it's recording. It's recording. Right. Okay. 350. I'll play now. Okay.
Yeah.
That one? No. Yeah, that's okay. I'll pay 600. Hold it tough, strong, yeah?
Strong, look.
One hand?
Two.
You hold on to that. Is it loaded? Like this?
Oh! Good.
Is it hitting it?
Too high.
Jumped. Yang đi. Look.
Too high.
I got one. Not a very good shot. That.
One more again?
Yeah. What? It's
10.
how many?
350. 10.
Need 600. And then 400. Need 350. Need 10 shot 400.
400 needs 10 shotgun.
10 shots with that? Yeah. 1,000, yeah? Yeah, but that's for both, yeah? What's that? Sniper?
Sniper lah ni. Ni?
No, this one.
Oh ni.
Same, small, ni good, number 1.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Sick.
Okay, small target. Okay.
Did that hit?
Nothing.
Oh, the small one?
Yeah, small one. Good shot. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Is there more? Finish. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
I'll take photo, no problem, take photo, action photo.